Yeah, this is Black Light. Now, these last three videos, I want my subscribers to look at them, consider them. Uh, you know, if you can, pass them around, or you know, talk to Brother Ben X about it. Talk to all the other brothers that come on YouTube that follow the teachings of the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad. I know y'all would, uh, those who aren't in the Nation of Islam, following various leaders. I know if y'all not in the Nation of Islam, but y'all interested in joining the Nation of Islam, y'all would understand everything quicker if we left off where the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad left off at. Because he had a multi-million-dollar establishment when he passed, when he made his transition. And then Wallace came in and got rid of it. But all the brothers had to do was use the example that he set, the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad set, and reestablished it. Made connections. They had the fish jumping off. They had the stores jumping off. It wasn't no sense for y'all to not lose faith in the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad, though, because a lot of y'all didn't go with Wallace. But y'all was focusing on the Honorable Elijah Muhammad instead of Master Farad. See, Elijah always put Master Farad first and told y'all, you know, who was guiding him. Told us who was guiding him. Even when he wasn't visible, even when he wasn't in sight, he was still getting instructions from Master Farad. A lot of times you don't know if the thoughts in your skull is yours or the devil's, or is it Master Farad Muhammad. But I'm beginning to, at this late date, I'm 72, I'm beginning to understand my thoughts, and I could tell when it's a righteous thought that only comes from Master Farad, and I could tell when the devil tries to penetrate. So, a lot of you brothers and sisters don't follow the teachers of the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad. Y'all don't have the slightest idea what I'm saying. But maybe you would like to. But you don't want to get with the various brothers who claim to be followers of the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad. Because you got to work for the devil. You got to pay that light bill. You got to pay that gas bill, the water bill. And you got to go to work for the devil to pay for it. And he going to sway you in his direction just because he giving you some money. But now if the Nation of Islam had jobs, or, you know, had money that you could borrow to build up, you know, to start a business of your own, or a place where you could, financial institution set up, interest free, where you could go and start a business and create jobs for the community, or where there's enough jobs at the nation, or enough businesses that the nation got that you could go and work for. You might not want to work at McDonald's, but you might want to work at one of the Nation of Islam restaurants. you know, or you might want to work at the bakery, you know. Y'all understand what I'm saying? It ain't hard to understand this, you know. You know, you might have an argument for it, but the facts prove the facts are there. You had ample enough time to regain control, uh, or regain all the businesses that and establishments that Osama Elijah Muhammad left, or build up some new ones. Where's our scientists? Where's our engineers? Where's the black hospital? No one talks about that. We talk about the devil, but then we get sick. We got to go to this hospital. Yeah, that don't make no sense right there. And then if it is some black hospitals, we don't know if they in with the devil or not. Come on, man. This is Black Light. Just let me know. Email me or something if you can dig it. What I'm saying. Do you agree? If not, show me why where I'm wrong at. After all this time, 40 years, y'all haven't reestablished all what the most Honorable Elijah Muhammad built. If he y'all father, he y'all example, and y'all honor him, you're not honoring him because you're not doing like him. You ain't doing nothing like him but lip service. Black Light out.